Okay, folks, well, as from the 3rd of January 2023, we have taken occupancy of this great new premises here in Somerset West. From a production point of view, we at the moment can handle around about 8 megawatt hours per month, but this facility as it stands here can quite easily go up to about 20 megawatt hours per month. And I think we'll scale into the sort of 10 megawatt hour per month capacity in the next sort of 3 to 6 months. And then by the end of 2023, I think we will be producing at a rate of about 20 megawatt hours per month. We have two very distinct product ranges. Our low voltage, or let's call it 50 volt series, 52 volt series of batteries manufactured underneath the mezzanine area. And then this whole area here, where I'm standing now and behind me, is all the high voltage batteries, which is typically 10 times higher voltage, so 520 volts. And that's where we manufacture our high power modules, which then form strings and then can go up to, we've recently deployed a 4.5 megawatt hour battery at Pall Mall, and we intend to deploy very shortly, 4, 5, 6 megawatt hour battery systems on single sites. We have under what we call factory roof space, about 3,000 square meters. On the mezzanine, we've got about additional 500 square meters, and then the office building itself is about another 600 squares. And that's where we have all our finances, marketing, the sales guys, the development people, all housed in the office block. So yeah, very great time in our development as BlueNova. We're very excited about having all our facilities under one roof. In the building next door here, we will be bringing in the containers where we do pre-assembly of all the inverters and batteries all in a single container. So those systems are really what we consider the future of energy storage for our customers in our market segment. Thank you very much.